Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo, and today's conversation is going to be about clarity in your legal marketing. And what exactly do I mean by clarity, and how does it relate to legal marketing? Well, you have to be 100% clear on who you want to attract, what you want them to do when you attract them, and honestly, you have to be clear on how you want them to do it, because you cannot attract your ideal client until you know who that ideal client is. You have to be absolutely clear on this fact. So give some thought right now to the clients that you've had in the past and think about who the perfect client was in your mind. And if you haven't had that perfect client yet, think about the client that gets as close as possible, and then make a list of things you would like that client to have to be the perfect client. Now, give some thought to this ideal client and think about where they came from and how they found you. And when you think about where they came from and how they found you, also think about how the relationship started out. List all these things down on a sheet of paper, and you should start to get a clear picture for who your ideal client really is. Once you know who that ideal client really is, you can then set out to try to find them. And when you go to try to find that ideal client, what you're going to do is you're going to set up different systems that will attract this type of client to you, as opposed to going out and trying to hunt them down. And the way you set up these systems is by creating a message that resonates with this particular person. Now, I'll give you an example. I work with an attorney who's a criminal defense attorney, and he's focused purely on attracting first-time offenders. So all of the copy that he writes for his internet website and for his internet ads is geared toward first-time offenders. When he meets people out in public, he talks about first-time offenders and how anybody can make a mistake. When he speaks from the platform, he talks about how good people sometimes make mistakes and it's easy for them to seek him out because he doesn't judge people. So he tailors his message to his ideal client because he's clear on who his ideal client really is. So these things are completely and totally under your control, and attracting your ideal client is completely under your control, but you must be certain who that ideal client is. So give some thought right now to who you think your ideal client is going to be, and do this by looking through your past clients and listing the qualities of great clients you've worked with in the past. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and for more great tips just like these on marketing, business strategy, and law practice management, as well as a little personal productivity thrown in for good measure, you can find me at rainmakerlawyer.com. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.